If you need to insert space between each row, there's two basic ways to do it. One of the way is to use a cheat technique. Basically, you label all the rows in a running sequence number like this. Hold the field handler and drag it. And let's say if you want two spaces in between, you copy the same numbers or index number, you paste it twice. After that, highlight the header, press Ctrl+Shift+L to enable filter, and you filter by the smallest to the largest, and this will give you two spaces between each row. Now, if you feel dangerous with your Excel skill, you can try method number 2, which is to use the Excel formula. We start off with the expand function. This function expands the range B5 to K18 to a specific column, which is 10 times 4. The number 10 is the number of columns in our data set, and 4 is the number of rows I'm going to allocate before the next row. Now, if we encapsulate the function with TOROW function, you can see that 30 cells are between each row. And if we further encapsulate the TOROW function with a WRAPROWS function with a wrap count of 10, which is essentially our number of columns, and hit enter key, you can see that there is a gap of 3 rows between each rows. And if you need to have 5 empty rows before the next line, just change this value to 6 and hit enter. But if you need to have every alternate row empty, simply change this value to 2 and hit enter.